Hey, B, guess what you're about to do, buddy? You're about to eat some avocado. Are you ready?
You ready, buddy?
Here's his first bite of food ever.
What do you think? Is it good stuff? Made your eyes water, didn't it? Want some more?
What do you think, buddy? You like avocado? Is that good? You like that?
You ready? Looky there. Oh, yeah. What do you think?
Are you gonna poop green stuff tonight? Hmm?
You liked it? Here comes a bite. No. Open. You didn't like it?